Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to clear search history on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu. Find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can find all your recent search history. Tap and hold the search history to select. Tap on Remove to delete. To delete all the search history at once, tap the Clear button. Tap the Clear button again to confirm. That's it. All the search history has been cleared. This is how you can clear search history on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.